survive. That is the law of nature. Genes program animals to perpetuate their species. To avoid death on the savannah, in the face of danger, in the face of the unknown, fear can mean survival. Rwanda, the land of the thousand hills. In the west, Akagera National Park covers large expanses of savanna, forests and lakes. Here, there are no natural predators, at least not yet. And zebras roam in peaceful indifference. Sasabi antelopes, also known as tupis, live on the plains. The males sense the coming breeding season. The females do not fear their eagerness. A male impala inhales the odor, full of pheromones, through which he recognizes the available females. In the trees where the baboons loll, on the prairies where the zebras and the wildebeest frolic. By the banks of the lakes where the hippos reign. In every direction, nothing whatsoever troubles the tranquility of the Akagera National Park. But lions are soon to be introduced into the park. Without predators, the herbivores here have proliferated, and the competition for food risks desertifying the savanna and prairies. The lions, imported from South Africa, have travelled more than 2,500 kilometres to reach the park. When they awake, the lions discover a new territory to conquer. It will be the first time in several dozen years that lions have been seen at Akagera. The giraffes are the first to understand that something in the olfactory landscape of the plain has changed. They recognize an odor that they have never smelt before. For the moment, nothing else attracts their attention except this musky scent. A smell which they do not yet recognize as a signal of danger. In order to repopulate the national park with predators, great care has been taken to choose an experienced female. She is 11 years old. Under a tree, her son recuperates from the general anesthetic with 2 other lionesses. 17 lions have been reintroduced into Akagera. There will be a before and an after. Spotted hyenas are content to feed on the carcasses of animals that have died because they were weak, ill, or old. Hyenas are predominantly scavengers. Here at Akagera, the disproportion between the number of herbivores and that of predators is such that, in the absence of lions, the hyenas merely have to feed on dead animals. Here it's not necessary for them to attack living prey as they would normally do elsewhere. Impalas and scavengers mingle in total indifference, each living their lives in peaceful coexistence. At times, the hunter becomes the hunted. This tranquility, this relaxed life,